Good evening, friends. Today I will show you how to make money online. I will tell you a lot about how can you make money online. If you want to earn extra money without breaking a sweat, keep watching. To save you time and hours of research, I created this extension of online making money ideas and gigs on the site. All you need to do is set aside some time to road through this list. I'm pretty confident you'll find one or two or three quite like the sound of. Now we'll talk on building a website. How can you build a website and earn money from the website and affiliate commission? One of the most popular ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. 81% of brands and 84% of publishers use the power of affiliate marketing, and this statistic is likely to continue as affiliate marketing spending in the US every year. Don't know what affiliate marketing is. It's a way of earning money by promoting various brands. You're promoting products, services, apps, softwares, and more. In return, other companies pay you a commission when a customer buys a product using your link. You probably think the commission will be small, but that's not strictly true. It can be, but it can be, but it makes a big difference. Is that you can be a affiliate for one or two or more three considerably more different brands, and there no limit is the number of links you can include in each of your posts. There's also the there's also the there are also the potentials of the commission to be 50% of a $1,000 product, and for it to be a recurring commission every month. How does it work? You advertise the brand via your website by writing blogs, creating informative and other types of content, including links of your affiliate brand, and push traffic to their website. To achieve any level of success, you have to earn persistence. The key to your success will be finding a niche that suits you and having the right strategy. Some of the niches you might want to consider include software, travel, e-commerce, dating, loans, fitness. Once you've decided on a niche, you'll need to find a work on designing a website, starting a blog, starting a YouTube channel that runs alongside your blog is another option. Level of expertise intermediate, I would say. Requirements: content marketing expertise known as to build a website. Time from a 6 month to several years before you start making any real profit. Tools: domain hosting include potential 300 to 10,000 per day. That's it for today. See you next time.